In this video, we are going to talk about 10 newest species discovered in the Amazon jungle. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Have you heard of a yellow mustached lizard or a fire-tailed titi monkey? You didn't till now. Every other day, a new animal or plant species is discovered in the Amazon. But, due to rapid deforestation, we may never know the Amazon's full treasures. The Brazilian government recently adopted a decree to open up a network of protected areas larger than Switzerland to mining and other commercial operations. A court order just suspended in Brazil. However, at least 60 other protected sites in the Brazilian Amazon face extinction or shrinkage. Here are the 10 newest species discovered in the Amazon jungle. So let's start. Number 10. Amazonian tree with human-sized leaves finally gets ID'd as new species. This is a story of endurance. In the Madeira River basin of the Brazilian Amazon, botanists first spotted this tree in 1982. They recognized it was a cockaloba species, a genus of blooming plants native to the Americas, but couldn't identify it. The trees they found had neither flowers or fruits, and their leaves were too enormous to dehydrate, press, and transport back with them. Despite the plant's local fame, it was only in 2005 that researchers finally retrieved seeds and fading flowers from a tree. The researchers put seeds at the National Institute of Amazonian Research, INPA, site, cultivated seedlings, and waited. Eventually, in 2018, one of the trees produced fruit, providing the researchers with enough botanical material to define a new species. New species C. gigantifolia has leaves up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet, long, making it the largest known leaf among dicotyledonous plants, which include sunflowers, hibiscus, tomatoes, and roses. Number 9. Plecturocebus peretz. This year, scientists discovered a second new species of Amazonian monkey. The gray monkeys, named Plecturocebus peretzi after the Peretzi Plateau in Rondônia, Brazil, were discovered in 1914. Known locally as a toho, researchers spotted the monkeys again in 2011 and established that it was unique enough from the closely related ashy black titi to warrant its own species. In the arc of deforestation, enormous expanses of forest have been removed for cattle ranching and mechanized soy farming. The high slopes of the plateau they occupy protect them by making the ecosystem difficult to access and unappealing for large-scale deforestation. Number 8. Orange-red mantis. Praying mantises are green or brown in color and resemble leaves or tree trunks. A brilliant orange-red mantis with a black abdomen was discovered in 2013 in a research site on the Amazon River in northern Peru. The praying mantis was imitating a wasp's brilliant colors and movements. Last kind of wasp imitation is rare among mantises, the researchers said in a report released this year. The new species was called Vespamantoida whorley, from the wasp mantis genus Vespamantoida. Number 7. Fulgora laternaria. The fulgorid insect Fulgora laternaria is a planthopper known by many names including lanternfly, peanut bug, peanut-headed lanternfly, and alligator bug. Fulgora laternaria reaches 85 to 90 mm, 3.3 to 3.5 in length and 100 to 150 mm, 3.9 to 5.9 in wingspan. This insect has a 10 to 15 mm protuberance on its head that resembles a peanut and has false eyes like a reptile or a serpent. The insect was initially misidentified as luminous. When assaulted, it defends itself by releasing a foul-smelling material and displays huge yellow fake eyes on its hind wings. Adults are found June to December. Number 6. Patus. Patus, family Nyctobiidae, belong to the Caprimulgiformes family of birds, which includes nightjars and frogmouths. Their eerie calls have earned them the moniker, pormy ones. In tropical Central and South America, the genus Nyctobius has 7 species. These are nocturnal insectivores that lack the bristles that true nightjars have around their mouths. Like a shrike or a flycatcher, they hunt from a perch. They perch upright on tree stumps during the day, disguised to look like a part of the stump. The single spotted egg is deposited immediately on the stump's surface. Number 5. Bullet ant. The bullet ant, Paraponera clavata, is a species of ant that is notable for its exceptionally painful sting. It lives in Central and South America's humid lowland rainforests. Worker ants are stout, reddish-black, wingless wasps with a length of 18 to 30 mm, 0.7 to 1.2 in. Paraponera is a predatory ant that, like all primitive poneromorphs, lacks polymorphism in the worker caste. The queen ant is only slightly larger than the workers. They are not hostile ants, but they are violent while defending the nest, making a stridulating sound and stinging with venom. Number 4. Glass frogs. Glass frogs are amphibians of the Centralinidae family, order Anura. While most glass frogs have a lime green background, the abdomen skin of some species is transparent and translucent. In fact, the internal viscera of the glass frog may be seen through the skin, giving it its common name. Glass frogs are arboreal, living mostly in trees and only emerging to breed. Glass frogs are small, ranging in size from 3 to 7.5 centimeters, 1.2 to 3.0 in. They are mostly green, except for the skin along the lower surface of the body and legs, which is translucent. Number 3. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frog, also known as dart poison frog, or poison arrow frog, is the common name for a family of amphibians native to tropical Central and South America. These species are diurnal, and their bodies are frequently brilliantly colored. The species' toxicity is linked to their vivid color, making them aposematic. Some Dendrobatidae species have exceptionally vivid colors and significant toxicity, whereas others have cryptic color and little to no toxicity. Number 2. Jesus lizard. The common basilisk is a lizard belonging to the Corydophanidae family. The species is only found in Central and South America, where it lives in rainforests near rivers and streams. Because of its ability to run on water's surface, it's also known as the Jesus Christ lizard, Jesus lizard, South American Jesus lizard, or Lagarto de Jesus Cristo. Hatchlings are 38 to 43 millimeters, 1.5 to 1.7 in length and weigh only 2 grams, 0.071 ounce. Adults can reach a total length of 76 centimeters, including the tail, 2.5 feet. Females weigh about half as much as males, weighing 135 to 194 grams, 4.8 to 6.8 ounces. Number 1. Fishing bat. The bigger bulldog bat, sometimes known as the fisherman bat, is a Latin American fishing bat. The bat uses echolocation to detect water ripples caused by the fish it eats, then scoops the fish up with its pouch between its legs and catches and clings to it with its keen claws. It should not be confused with the lesser bulldog bat, which, despite sharing the same species, only catches aquatic insects like water striders and water beetles. Like Myotis dobintoni, it makes echolocation sounds through its lips, but the sounds are substantially different, with a long constant frequency component at 55 kHz, which is an extraordinarily high frequency for a bat of this size. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.